What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at something you guys have probably seen. A lot of ads have been floating around on YouTube. I've run into quite a few of them from Tech Armor. And lo and behold, they hit me up and they're like, check this out. I'm like, sure. The Tech Armor Talk and Charge. So what makes these headphones unique is that they are full Lightning port compatible, which means you don't need Wi-Fi, you don't need a 3.5 millimeter port. So it's made for all these different iPhones, iPhone X all the way down to the iPhone 5, iPads, iPods even. These things are built for iPhone. They're actually MFI certified, which is made for iPhone. They call it the Talk and Charge, which means you can have these connected to your phone and charge it at the same time if you're tied down and your phone's dead. On the actual cable, there's another Lightning port so you can plug in your charger while you're using it, which is really cool. This also has a premium MEMS microphone, which is primo. Now they're saying that it has premium audio. It's supposed to give you deep bass and crisp tunes. Now that sounds really good, and we've heard a lot of people say that about themselves until they're tested. Ooh. It's got the whole diagram on the inside, which is really nice. We've got 2 sets of extra ear cups. Oh yeah, this is like a 5-foot long cable. Okay, so the earbuds, they're really slick looking. They've got like kind of this teardrop look to them. I'm kind of digging them. They look very discreet. Right here is your microphone, your inline microphone. And then further down, you have your inline controls. So you've got your pause, play, answer, hang up, negative and plus, which usually is volume and track control. You've got the Lightning port, and attached to that is this unique little box. This is where you plug in your charger so you can charge it at the same time you're using it, which is great. Oh, wow. Oh, man, those are really discreet. Oh, I'm liking that a lot. Look, they're almost completely disappeared. Look at that. Yep, they held perfect. So for those who have stuck around for a long time, probably recognize this. A while back, I had an engraving tool and I actually engraved some hearts and some butterflies on this old iPhone 5, and that's what we're gonna use to test today. Wow. That's pretty good. Okay, let me go ahead and do a little bass boosted. Why? How? I don't, Tech Armor is not lying. The bass is really good. The bass is good. It's not just deep, it's real punchy too. It's a fantastic sound. They weren't lying. Very crisp for sure. Very crisp sound and very deep bass. I'm really liking that. All right, let's go ahead and make a phone call. Let's give Valerie a call. I think Valerie's at work, so let's interrupt her. I like how the microphone's up here separate from everything else. Hello? Hey, can you hear me? So how do I sound? I sound like I'm on the phone? Wow, yeah, you sound really good too. Okay. Wow. These are good. These are really good. These are good. I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed. The sound quality out of these are amazing. Oh, let's try the charge function. All you gotta do, you take it, plug it in. Boom, it's charging, look at that. These things are running at like 70 bucks right now. They're definitely justified in their price. They're really, really nice. First off, they're very, very comfortable. They're very discreet. Highs and mids are very crisp. They're not lying. It's not false advertisement. They have very good crisp highs and mids. The bass coming out of these are really impressive, like really impressive. Earbuds of this size, I've only experienced one other earbud that had similar to that kind of bass, and those were the Elgatos. So highs, mids, and lows, I'm gonna give them all an 8. Talking on the phone was super clear, so yeah, I mean, they're really, really good. If you're an owner of one of the new iPhones that unfortunately does not have an audio jack, this is your solution. Not only does it solve the problem, but it also enhances your listening experience. These things sound fantastic. But anyway, guys, all right, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.